Hi, first grade. I am going to walk you through some of your phonemic awareness work this week. And phonemic awareness is listening for the sounds that you hear in words. And so we're going to work really hard this year on phonemic awareness because it makes us better readers and it makes us better writers. And you might remember doing a little bit of phonemic awareness last year where your teachers either showed you some cards that looked like this. They might have played some word games with you. We're going to do that probably 3 or 4 times a week, just because we really believe that listening for sounds and words makes you a better reader and a better writer. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go through this set of cards, and I'm going to say letter is, and you're going to say whatever letter is on the card, and then I'm going to say sound is, and you're going to say whatever sound goes with that letter. So let's practice. Letter is, and you would say A. Sound is, and then you would say A. So I'm going to lead you through the cards, but you're in charge of saying the letters and the sounds. Letter is, sound is. Letter is, sound is. Letter is, sound is. Sorry guys, these get stuck together. Letter is, sound is. 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 They're stuck. Letter is, sound is. Letter is, sound is. I've never had this much trouble separating these. Letter is, sound is. Letter is, sound is. Letter is, sound is. Letter is, sound is. Nothing goes right when you're recording. Letter is, sound is. Letter is, sound is. Letter is, sound is. Whew, we got through those. Sticky cards. Sorry about that. All right, so we're going to go through what you're going to do for phonemic awareness today. I am going to walk you through each activity and give you an example. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to talk about rhymes. And I'm going to give you 2 words. If the pair of words rhyme, you're going to give it a big thumbs up. And if the pair does not rhyme, you're going to give it a big thumbs down. So let's do one practice together. Go, no. Thumb up if it rhymes, thumbs down if it doesn't. All right, great. Now I'm going to give you the rest of the words, but I'm not going to show you if it's thumbs up or thumbs down. You'll work with your teacher to do that. Yes, me. Cat, rat. Out, pig. Run, fun. In, lap. Sad, mad. Rip, bag. Wig, big. Hit, sat. Good. So now we're going to work on isolating or separating the beginning sound of a word. So I'm going to give you a word, and then you're going to repeat it. And then I want you to say the beginning sound of that word. So I'm going to give you an example. The word is sip. So as the teacher, I'm going to say sip. Then you're going to say it. And then you're going to tell me the beginning sound. So teacher says sip. Student says sip. All right. I'm going to read the rest of them to you. Bed. dog, fan, ham, jet, can, seat, get, pinch, kiss. Excellent. So now we're going to work on blending words together. I'm going to give you two separate words, and I'm going to show you those words as I put them out with my hands. You're going to repeat them and do the same motion with your hands. You'll do this as well, depending on the words I give you. And then you're going to clap them together and put those two words together to make a new word. So here's an example. Teapot. And then the student says, teapot, teapot. Okay, so we're going to take those two words and combine them into a new one. I'm going to go through them, and I will go slowly. And then teachers, if you need to pause, go ahead. Playground. Dog house. Cardboard. Hair cut. Outside. Footprints. Snowman. Pick up. Moonlight. Lipstick. Great. All right, we're going to switch to the next page. This time, I'm going to give you a word, and you're going to say it, and we're going to work on identifying final sounds, so the last sound in a word. So I'm going to give you the word. The example is rope. So teacher says rope, and then the student says rope, and they really overemphasize that ending sound. So we're going to do it again. Teacher says rope, student says rope, and emphasizes that ending sound. Here we go. Cab, rope, huge, ox, hen, duck, less, pick, buzz, throw. Excellent. So this time things are going to be a little bit different. I am going to give you a word, and you're going to put your hands together like this, just like I did before when I was combining words. And then when I give you the word, you're going to break it apart. So here's the example. Eyeball. It's hard to see you over there. Eyeball. And then you're going to repeat eyeball, and you're going to break it apart. Eyeball. Okay? Here we go. Classroom. Baseball. Afternoon. Bedroom. Lifeguard. Sunset. Eyeball. Butterfly. Bookmark. Sailboat. Excellent. All right, the last one is the trickiest one. We're going to work on substituting words and changing them around a little bit, so you really, really have to listen. I'm going to take my two fists and I'm going to hold them together like this to show you a word. The word that I'm going to show you is Sunday. Then I'm going to shake one of my fists and have you change that part of the word to a new part. And then you're going to put them back together. Sounds like a lot. Let's go through the first one. Teacher says Sunday. Students say Sunday. Then the teacher will say change day to set. So you're swapping out that Sunday, and now it's going to be sunset. Okay? All right. We'll go through these nice and slow. Sunset. Change set to rise. Sunrise. Change rise to light. Sunlight. Change light to shine. Sunshine. Change shine to flower. Sunflower. Change flower to burn. Sunglasses. Change glasses to day. Sunday. Change day to set. So you feel kind of silly doing that. I feel completely ridiculous, but I know that it's going to help you so much with your reading and writing. So that was lesson 1. I'll be with you for the other 3 lessons this week. Have a great morning.